In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten Windows 11 password. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Then click on the power button and select Restart. Once you get to the Advanced Startup menu, click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, and then click on the command prompt. First, type C:, press Enter, then type door command, which is used to list files and folders in the current directory, and hit Enter. Now we can see that this is the main system partition, which has Windows users and program files folders. For example, if I repeat the same process for the G drive, as you can see it's a system partition with the boot files. And if we try to access the F drive, which doesn't exist here, we'll get the system cannot find the drive specified. So it's pretty easy to find the main system partition. Next, we need to get into the system.exe folder, which contains utilman and cmd files. I'm gonna type cd for change directory, Windows, and press Enter. Then again, cd, system32, Enter. Now we need to rename these executable files using the ran command. Type ran, space, utilman.exe, space, utilman1.exe, and press Enter. Type ran, cmd.exe, space, utilman.exe, and press Enter. Close the command prompt and click Continue. Now if you click on the Accessibility button, the command prompt will appear on the screen. Or not, just like in my case. I don't have any reasonable explanation why it doesn't start instantly, just like in Windows 10, but anyway, simply wait for a minute and then restart your computer. And now it works. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and type the following command. Control, space, user passwords 2, and press Enter. In the Users tab, select your account and click Reset Password. You can enter a new password here or just leave it blank. Click OK and close the command prompt. Now, if it asks for a password, then simply click on this button and it will log into your account. So in case if it asks for a PIN here, then you need to click on Sign In Options, click on Password, and now you can log into your account.